Just wanted to do a quick review on this Optrel Crystal 2.0 welding helmet, as I haven't seen a whole lot out about them. One of the first things I don't like about this helmet is that there's no stop when it's flipped up for the headgear. You can tighten the knobs a little bit, but then it doesn't want to come down if you try to flip your head. I don't know if that'll change when it breaks in or not. I do like the controls here on the outside. They're easy to adjust. The auto mode works great. I never thought I'd like a feature like that, but going from plasma torch to MIG welding or TIG in the same process, you don't have to adjust anything. It works very well. I don't like the grind mode indicator right here. It's a little hard to see when you have the helmet on. It's just that little blinking red light right here. But the grind mode button's really easy to press when you need to use it. The clarity of this helmet is amazing, whether it's on or off. As you can see, I mean, you can easily see through this. Our shop isn't the best lit shop right now. To give you an idea, just looking through it. I'll try to get some footage of the helmet in TIG mode, or not really TIG mode, but with some TIG welding. So I lied, I'm not really going to weld with this in TIG. I'm just going to strike an arc just so you can see what it looks like when you strike an arc and how clear it is. Try that again. You know that I said that I did not like the headgear because it didn't have a lock when you flip it up. One thing I will say is it is very comfortable headgear compared to my speed glass helmet that I have. That one I was always fumbling around. I could never keep it adjusted on my head. It was either too tight or it was loose and wanting to fall off my head. This one I haven't had that problem with yet. And I also noticed it's really light compared to some of the other helmets I've used, which is always a bonus.